Now, I haven't actually given you a car vlog in a really fucking long time, because basically the only stuff I've done to my car so far has been interior stuff, and whenever I do interior stuff I don't plan to do it. It's sort of like the parts come in and it's been something I've needed to do for a while, and so I get it done because I need to fuck off and, you know, use the car again. But today I've got a little bit more time. I'm gonna explain what I'm doing. I might not be able to get the whole process in a vlog, but you know, just to sort of show you what's happened to the car on the inside since, and what I plan to do. A while ago, my Macintosh tweeters just fucking died a horrible death, and when I took them apart to see if there was something I could do with solder to try and fix them, it was too much of an effort to fucking try and sort that shit out. So I went to the secondhand store, picked up these Pioneer Hi-Fi tweeters, but because they're Hi-Fi tweeters and the mounting is definitely not built for cars, what I originally did is just sort of like jerry-rigged this fucking wooden mount and bolted it into the hard plastic on the door panel, just so I could see if the sound worked or not, you know. What I did about a month ago is, because, you know, this is a shit fucking solution, I finally got around to figuring out where I want to put these, and what I've done is I've actually removed the vents here, just basically cut that away, screwed it straight into the door panel. I know this is obviously very fucking janky, but what I intend to do is just finish this piece off with some FRP, sand it down, and then just make one smooth finish with that. That shouldn't be too hard to do, so that's a future thing. Today's task is basically to make this side look like this side. So you can see how that's sort of coming apart just from, you know, leaning on the door panel. These things are old, they don't last. You can take a look at the crossovers. I had to get these crossovers because you can see they drop all the way down to -12, -15, because obviously the Hi-Fi tweeters didn't play nice with the Macintosh crossovers I had before. But this is working nicely. I've got the levels to as good a point as I can without fucking active crossover. The next step is amping this front speaker setup, and that'll hopefully come next month, because I finally found an amp that's got the power that I can actually afford. That's the old door. That's the new door. As you can see, obviously this is not fucked like that one. Yeah, like the last time, the gaps are not particularly brilliant, but it doesn't matter so much, because like I said, I'm going to be hooking this all up with fiberglass, so then I'll sand that down to be flush with that, and then it'll all become one piece. As you can see, it's like floppy here and stuff, because, you know, all the bracing and stuff that was behind with the vent is now gone. So I'll probably, when I make the FRP, have to sort of figure something out over there, but I needed a new one of these because mine was fucked. See at the bottom there, the tab was gone, so I just it kept falling out. So I got, this was actually cheaper. Second-hand aftermarket was cheaper than second-hand stock. And the shop that was selling these for like 500, the door handles, and then these for 500 for the pair. So I thought, fuck it, let's just get the whole set. This has also got cracks in it, second-hand, but I mean, it's better than what I had before, which was just fucking broken in half. So slight improvements in general all across the board to the interior. Nothing huge, nothing major. The most important thing is now that the tweet is not in some fucking janky piece of wood wobbling around as I drive, so.
Sold to the highest bidder, one to own them all. No need for the illusion of capital. They are the currency. The value of their life is what rises and falls. Their bodies no longer their own, just another asset to lose or gain. Even though their minds are eternal, they stay bound to the mundane.
Oh, it works. Good shit. So put the new interior trim pieces on the left side and this will be done. Fucking A!